Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PGPM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today, late afternoon, very nice move on the bulls part. Like I said, I don't think anybody's going to sit around and say, no, that move wasn't nice. Everyone would agree that was a good move. But that does lead to the question, is there any sort of true power behind this? Is this the start of a bigger breakout? Or is this just some sort of fake breakout, which do exist? I have no idea. But like I said, by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And it all revolves around a level that I've been talking about time and time again for those of you that have watched the past videos I've done. And it's this red line right here at 0085. So like I said, if you've been watching my past videos, I'm sure you've heard me talk about 0085 over and over again as a level of resistance. But now that the price is above it, this is where the first update comes into play. And that update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So always good when red is being converted to green. So circling back to the question, all right, how can we gauge now that we have 0085 as support whether or not this is the start of something bigger? Well, if it is the start of something bigger, hopefully we can all agree on this logic, then well, it's going to keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if this is the start of a bigger breakout, then the price is going to keep on getting bigger and not go back to where it was. So think about 0085. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That's literally putting the price right back inside of the channel. So am I saying that that means the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that. But in regards to this price movement right here, well, this would be a fake breakout, because if it's a true breakout, sure, the price could come down here, but then you'd want to see it maintain above and then head back up, because by doing that, what is it doing? Well, it'd be giving you a set of lows right there, previous set of lows right there, previous set of lows right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, this is the progress. This is the quote-unquote getting bigger that I'm talking about. If this is the breakout, then the price is going to keep on improving upon itself, and falling back inside of previous ranges is kind of a contradiction of improving upon itself, right? So 0085, definitely a very important level going into tomorrow, and we'll see if the price can hold out above it or not. But like I said, no question about it. Very nice move on the bulls part. Is this the start of a bigger breakout? Well, let's see if the bulls can start to make progress. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.